Good morning, my dear children. I hope you are all doing good at home. Today's new concept is same and different. Today's new concept is same and different. Same and different. Okay, children, come let us start. See, what is this? This is a pineapple. What is this? This is also a pineapple. What is this? Yes, pineapple. What is this? Is it pineapple? No, it is apple. It does not belong to this group. It is different from this one. Okay, children? Apple is different from this group. Okay? Now come to the second group. See, here we have cup. Next one is glass. Other one is cup. This is also cup. Now, which one is different from this group? Yes, glass is different from this group. Next, come to the next group. This is a jug. This is a jug. This is a cup. This is a cup. This is also a jug. Which one is different from this group? Yes, cup is different from this group. Here we have ice creams. These are our ice creams. Is it ice cream? No, it is a candy. It does not belong to this group. It is different from the ice cream group. Next, here we have balls. These are our balls. Is it a ball? No, it is not a ball. It is different from this group. It is a bat. See, here we have tree and this is a house. This is also a house. Which one is different from this group? Yes, tree is not belong to this group. Tree is different from this group. Next, here we have two trees and another one is cat. Cat is not belong to this group. Cat is different from this group. Okay, children. Next, here we have cats. How many cats we are having? 3 cats we are having. Next one is what? Ball. Ball is not belong to this group. Ball is different from this group. Next one, here we have umbrellas. Next one is balloon. Balloon is not belong to this group. Balloon is different from this group. Okay, children, I hope you all understand the concept same and different. Now we are going to circle the different object. Shall we? Good. See here, pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. This is an apple. Apple is not belong to this group. So, we are going to draw a circle around the apple. Next group, we have this is a cup. This is a glass. This is a cup. This is also a cup. Which one is different? Yes, glass is different from this group. So, we are going to draw a circle around the glass. Next one. This is a jug. This is a jug. This is a cup. This is a jug. Which one is different from this group? Yes, cup is not belong to this group. Cup is different. So, I am going to draw a circle around the cup. Next one. Here we have ice creams. These are our ice cream. Is it ice cream? No, it is not a ice cream. It is a candy. Candy is not belong to this group. So, I am going to draw a circle around the candy. Next one. Here we have balls. Another one is bat. Bat does not belong to this group. So, I have to draw a circle around the bat. Here, this is a tree. This is a house. This is a house. Which one is not belong to this group? Yes, tree is not belong to this group. Okay, children. So, I am going to draw circle around the tree. These are our trees. Next one is what? Cat. Cat does not belong to this group. Cat is different from this group. So, I have to draw circle around the cat. Next, these are our cats. These are our cats. What it is? Yes, this is a ball. ball is not belong to this group. Ball is different from this group. So I am going to draw circle around the ball. Next, these are umbrellas. Is it umbrella? No, this is not umbrella. This is a balloon. It is different from the group. So I am going to draw circle around the balloon. Okay children, now it's time for assignment. I hope you all understand the concept. Now it's time for assignment. Take your textbook, page number 19. Page number 19. See, above, middle, below. Page number 19. Above, middle, below. See here. Here we have 3 triangles. Here we have 3 triangles. Okay. It is middle. This triangle is middle. This triangle is above. This triangle is below. Above, middle, below. Now you have to color the above triangle green. Above triangle green. Middle triangle brown. Below triangle red. Okay children? Very good. Next move on to the next page. Page number 20. Same and different. Same and different. Here we have umbrellas. 3 umbrellas are open. Another one is not open. So it is different. So you have to draw a circle around this umbrella. See, this is yellow capsicum. This is red. This is yellow capsicum. This is yellow capsicum. Which one is different? Yes, red capsicum is different. So you have to draw a circle around the red capsicum. Next, this is a deer. These are all colorful. This is only brown in color. So I am going to draw circle around this. Next, clown. Here we have clown. Which one is different? In this, which one is different? Yes, first one is not having cap. This is only different. Okay children, I hope you all understand the concept. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.